Say hello to Chloe, one of our water quality samplers at Portsmouth Water. Here we are showing exactly how we sample customer taps to test the water quality in your supply zones. The first bottle you see is for a lead test. Lead is mostly found in homes built before 1970, and we offer free lead checks to customers if they believe they still have lead pipework present. Chloe then takes the temperature of the water. This is to make sure the water she is now sampling is fresh from our mains pipes. Next up is the first chlorine check. Chlorine is used in water treatment widely across the UK as a disinfectant and has been for over 100 years. The levels used make it completely safe for public health. We check the chlorine levels to make sure that the dosing is effective from our treatment works right up to the customer's taps. Some customers have plastics and rubbers in their plumbing that can react to make the water taste strange. This taste is not harmful, but we do agree it doesn't taste very nice. We've got lots of advice on our water quality page online if this is something that ever worries you. To check the chlorine levels, Chloe is dropping in 3 reagents into the test tube, which react with the chlorine in the water to develop a coloured solution. The sample is then measured in the blue machine you can see, which gives us a reading. The pink colour is chemistry at work and shows us that the water reaching your taps has got the correct level of chlorine in and is safe to drink. Now she's taking samples for taste, odour, and chemical tests. Tests include turbidity, which can cause discoloration or cloudy water, conductivity, the pH level, which we would expect to be neutral, and naturally occurring nutrients such as sulfates, chloride, fluoride, and nitrates. We use these tests to help us monitor the water quality and give us an accurate and scientific view of the water supply. They can also help us identify if there are any fittings such as softeners within the plumbing system. Now Chloe is disinfecting the tap. This is to make sure the results reflect the supply zone accurately and are not affected by what's on the individual tap. Just to be safe, we do another chlorine check before Chloe takes the sample for microbiological testing. These tests look for nasties like coliforms, E. coli, Clostridia, and Enterococci. It is incredibly rare to find bacteria in the water, and in the first 6 months of 2024, we have collected over 900 regulatory samples from customers' taps, all of which have been clear for microbiological parameters, including coliforms and E. coli. And that's that. Chloe's all done. She is heading back to the van to put the samples in a temperature controlled fridge to make sure that they are not compromised as we transport them. We keep any untreated water samples in the bottom red crate because this makes sure samples don't get mixed. Then it's straight back to our very own UCAS accredited lab to get the results. Follow us to see our next video where we'll take you through how we do this. Thanks for coming along on the journey with Chloe today.